Right, for cosec theta, take away 5 equals cot squared theta. Answers between minus 360 and 360 to one decimal place. So note that, we need to remember that when we get our answers later. So looking at the equation, we've got cosec, we've got cot. There is an identity that links those two together. So 1 plus cot squared theta always equals cosec squared theta. So by using that identity, I can replace the right hand side of the equation with cosec squared theta take away 1. We now have a quadratic equation in cosec theta. And then we need to solve this quadratic. Now these might not factorize, but this one does. We get the same bracket twice. Always check by expanding. If you can do it in your head, even better. Check that gives you what we had before. Both same bracket twice, so we get cosec theta is 2 in both cases. If cosec theta is 2, that means sine theta must be a half. I'm going to draw a quick sketch of the sine graph between minus 360 and 360. And that's going to get me all my angles. Right, there's my graph of sine theta between minus 360 and 360. I've drawn the horizontal line, y equals a half. I can see there are going to be 4 solutions. 1, 2, 3, 4 solutions. Inverse sine of a half on the calculator gives us the first one, making sure the calculator is in degrees mode. This is a common angle. Sine of 30 is a half. So you might have known that without a calculator. So you can see that's that one. So that's 30 degrees to the right of where it crossed the axis. So this one's going to be 30 to the left of where it crosses the axis. Crosses the axis at 180, of course. So just putting them on the graph there. So 30 to the right, 30 to the left of where it crosses an axis, which means that one's going to be minus 330, and this one is going to be minus 210. So 30 to the left of minus 180 and 30 to the right of minus 360. There's all the angles. Once again, it didn't need to say one decimal place. That's our mistake. It's a copy and paste that we should have got rid of. So that's my mistake. So the angles, you don't have to put them in increasing order, but I am. So minus 330 degrees, minus 210 degrees, 30 degrees, and 150 degrees.